Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Midland Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mymidlandmortgage.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Midland Mortgage. Now, right within the homepage, you will see the sign-in portal. So type in your loan number within the top section, and then underneath you can type in your account password that you have set up while signing up for your mortgage account. After entering both of these credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Midland Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on the forgot password as well as the forgot loan number option, and you will be allowed to reset these credentials using your security method. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Midland Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.